Bonjour et bienvenue dans ce deuxième épisode de la série Apprendre l'anglais rapidement. Dans cette aventure, nous allons découvrir ensemble différents thèmes du quotidien à travers des conversations captivantes entre Adama et Hawa. Au programme d'aujourd'hui, vous écoutez d'abord la conversation en entier portant sur les réseaux sociaux. Puis, je vous poserai des questions pour tester votre compréhension et booster votre anglais. Petit conseil, si ça va un peu vite, pas de panique. Vous pouvez toujours revenir en arrière et réécouter. C'est parti!
Hey, Awa, do you ever feel like social media is controlling your time?
Definitely. Sometimes I tell myself I'll just relax for 10 minutes, but then I look at the clock and realize I've been scrolling for almost 2 hours.
Same here. It's like the apps are designed to keep us hooked forever.
Exactly. With endless notifications, reels, and recommendations, it's really hard to stop.
Which platform do you spend most of your time on?
I'd say Instagram. I love looking at pictures, reels, and stories. What about you?
For me, it's YouTube. I watch documentaries, tutorials, and sometimes motivational speeches.
That's more useful than my scrolling, I guess. At least you're learning something.
True, but sometimes I waste time watching random videos that don't teach me anything.
Don't worry, we all do that. Do you think we could live without social media?
Honestly, I think it would be very difficult. It's become part of our daily life, even for school and work.
You're right. Teachers post announcements online, and sometimes we need WhatsApp groups just to organize homework.
Exactly. It's not just entertainment anymore. It's also a tool for communication and learning.
But still, I think we should learn to control it. Otherwise, it can easily control us.
Agreed. Maybe setting time limits would help. Have you ever tried that?
Yes, I set a daily limit on Instagram, but I usually ignore it when the notification pops up.
Maintenant, testons votre compréhension à travers un quiz en 3 questions. Which platform does Adama use the most? A. YouTube. B. Snapchat. C. Instagram. D. TikTok. Answer A. YouTube. Adama clearly says he spends most of his time on YouTube, watching documentaries, tutorials, and motivational videos. 2. What reason does Adama give for social media being difficult to live without? A. Because it's fun. B. Because it's addictive. C. Because it's used for school and work too. D. Because everyone else uses it. The correct answer is C, because it's used for school and work too. He explains that social media is not just for entertainment. Teachers post announcements online, and students use WhatsApp groups to organize homework. For number 3, what problem does Awa mention about time limits? A. They don't exist. B. She always respects them. C. She ignores the notification. D. They delete the apps. It is correct to say that Awa says she sets a daily limit on Instagram, but usually ignores it when the notification pops up. Ok, continuons avec la deuxième partie. Do you think social media has made people more connected or more isolated?
That's tricky. On one hand, we can talk to anyone around the world instantly. On the other hand, people spend less time with their real friends.
Exactly. I've seen groups of friends sitting together, but instead of talking, they're all staring at their phones.
That happens all the time. Sometimes I think we're losing real communication skills.
I agree. Some people don't even know how to have a face-to-face conversation anymore.
But at the same time, social media gives a voice to people who normally wouldn't be heard.
True, like activists, artists, or small creators who can share their ideas with the world.
And sometimes one viral post can completely change someone's life.
Yes, but there are dangers too, like cyberbullying and fake news.
Absolutely. Fake news spreads faster than the truth, and it can have serious consequences.
And many people believe everything they read online without checking.
That's dangerous. People should learn how to fact-check and verify sources.
I think schools should teach digital education and critical thinking.
Totally. Just like math or science, media literacy should be a subject.
If students learned that, they would be more responsible online.
Yes, and maybe social media would be less toxic.
Testons une dernière fois vos connaissances.
What danger do they mention about information online? A. Not enough content. B. Fake news spreads too fast. C. Information is too expensive. D. Books are disappearing. Answer. B. Fake news spreads too fast. Owl highlights that one of the biggest risks of social media is the speed at which false information can spread, making it difficult to know what is true. 2. What does Adama suggest people should learn? A. How to dance on TikTok. B. How to fact-check and verify sources. C. How to use filters on photos. D. How to make memes. Answer. B. How to fact-check and verify sources. Adama insists that it's essential for everyone to learn how to check the reliability of what they read online in order to avoid being misled. 3. What subject does Owl want schools to teach? A. Media literacy and digital education. B. More sports. C. More history. D. Fashion design. Answer A. Media literacy and digital education. Awa says schools should prepare students by teaching them media literacy and digital education so they can use social media responsibly.
Bravo d'être allé jusqu'au bout de cet épisode. Si tu veux continuer à progresser et ne rien rater de cette série, clique juste ici pour découvrir l'épisode 3. On se retrouve tout de suite dans le prochain épisode pour aller encore plus loin en anglais. Allez, let's go!